Hello there, Mr. Fleming here, and we are looking at day 3 of our maths, and we are going to be comparing the values of different numbers now by using greater than, less than, and equal to. And as you can see on the screen, there is a crocodile there, okay, and that is really important for today's lesson. So what we need to know. We need to look at each of the numbers. Can you read them? Can you say them out loud? Can you even write and spell them? Now we're looking at the value of each number. So when we're looking at two numbers, comparing them, are they the same or is one bigger than the other? And with that, when you're comparing them, you need to decide which sign you need to use. Okay, so we have the three signs there. So let's look at the crocodile. We can see that his teeth are pointing the same direction that the arrow next to it is. And we can see that and show that when we put the sign more close to its mouth. And the same again if we look at the crocodile pointing to the other way. His teeth and nose are going the same direction as the other arrow that's just popped up. And if I put that onto his mouth, we can see that. Okay, so it says the crocodile always eats the biggest number. So we have the two numbers there, number 9 and number 14. Now, I want to show the value, or I want to show you that I know the value of each of those numbers. So I know that 9 is 9 ones, and I know that 14 has 1 10 and 4 ones. And if we were using our base 10, or if you were at home using your own things, but on here I've just got base 10. If I wanted to show you that, then I would have 9 ones there, and for 14, I would have 1 10 and 4 ones. Now, as I say, the crocodile always eats the biggest number. So when we have to choose between those three signs, okay, if we look at the crocodile, I know that 14 is bigger than 9. So my crocodile is going to eat 14. So therefore, my sign should look like this because it almost looks like a mouth. If the numbers or values of the two numbers or however many numbers are the same, then we use the equal sign because equal means the same as. So if we are looking at the first question, we have on one side the number 16 and on the other side we have the number 16. Now they are the same number, so it's going to be an equal sign. The next question, on one side it says there are 1 10 and 7 ones, and on the other side it says that we have 17 ones. Now I know that 1 10 and 7 ones is the number 17, and I also know that 17 ones is 17, so therefore they are the same. The last question we have here, if we look at one side, we have 1 10 and 1 1, so I know that that number is 11. And if I look at the other side, I can count the ones. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So both sides are the same because they are both 11. So it is the equal sign. Okay, so I want you to have a go now. I want you to look at the two numbers, have a go at reading them. What numbers are they? Which one is bigger? Which is smaller? Or are they the same? And then I would like you to choose the right sign. Okay, let's have a look. We know that 12 is bigger than 7, so our crocodile, or our sign, is going to be eating the number 12. Because the crocodile always eats the biggest number. Okay, next question. On one side we have 1 10 and 6 ones. On the other side we have 9 ones. So it might be a good idea, before you start thinking about the signs and which one we should use, which number is bigger, it might be a good idea to actually look at the values of each of the sides and write the actual number down. So if it is 1 10 and 6 ones, I know that that number is 16. And on the other side, I know that 9 ones means that it's number 9. I know that 16 is bigger than 9, so my crocodile is going to be eating number 16. Right, the last question. So on this side, I have 1 10 and 2 ones. So I know that that is 12. How many ones have I got there? Can you count them for me, please? We have 12 ones. So if both sides are equal to 12, then we use the equal sign, because each side has the same value of 12. So your turn now. Rather than just going through the PowerPoint, I'm going to give